In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Smart Reply in Gmail. Smart Reply is a feature that suggests short, ready-made responses at the bottom of an email, based on the message you received. It's especially useful when you're going through a lot of emails and want to respond quickly without typing everything from scratch. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to switch it on, step by step. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account where you want to enable Smart Reply. Once your inbox is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel on the right side of your screen. In that panel, you'll see a variety of options, but for what we need, look for the link that says See All Settings. This is important because the Smart Reply option isn't in the quick panel, it's in the full settings page. Click See All Settings to open the main settings menu for your Gmail account. You should now be on the General tab of the settings page. If you're not, click on General at the top to make sure you're in the right place. This tab contains most of the everyday features you might want to customize. Scroll down slowly until you find the section labeled Smart Reply. It might be a little lower on the page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just keep scrolling. In the Smart Reply section, you'll see two options. One to turn Smart Reply on, and one to turn it off. To enable the feature, select the option that says Smart Reply On. Clicking this tells Gmail to start generating suggested replies for your incoming emails. After you've turned Smart Reply on, make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is a crucial step. If you don't save, Gmail will forget your choice and Smart Reply won't be activated. Once your changes are saved, head back to your inbox. The next time you open an email that's suitable for a quick response, you should see a few suggested replies appear at the bottom of the message. You can click one, edit it if you like, and then hit send.